Retail therapy isn't therapy, it's a symptom. And here's how to address the real problem behind emotional spending. The shopping industry wants you to believe that buying things makes you feel better, and temporarily, it often does. You get a dopamine hit from finding something new, and you feel a sense of control when life feels otherwise chaotic. You experience temporary relief from whatever else you're avoiding. But here's what really happens. The shopping cycle basically causes us to feel stressed, sad, or anxious. We shop to feel better. We get temporary relief. We have guilt and financial stress setting in. You feel worse than when you started. And then we shop again in order to feel better again. Wow, there's that cycle. So I've worked with women who spent themselves into debt trying to shop their way out of grief, loneliness, or anxiety. And the better alternatives to retail therapy are, for loneliness, call a friend, join a community group, volunteer. Boy, there's something about giving to other people that really brings us out of our own self-pity. At least that's my experience. How about for anxiety? Take a walk, do breathing exercises, practice meditation. For boredom, learn something new, start a creative project, read a book. How about for sadness? Allow yourself to feel it. Write in a journal, and seek support. How about the 24-hour rule? When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours, and often the urge passes. How about the substitute strategy? Before you shop, do something else that makes you feel good. Exercise, create a piece of art, connect with others. And then the edge is gone from that which we have gotten before in shopping. So real therapy addresses the root cause of emotional pain. Shopping just masks it temporarily while creating new problems. Who needs that? So our future self will thank us, yes, it will, for dealing with our emotions directly instead of spending them away. Share your best alternative to stress shopping in the comments below. I'm 𝗹𝗲𝗿, helping you invest in real solutions, not temporary fixes.